Hey guys, my name is Brian McLennan here at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. I'm standing in front of some new fiberglass that just hit the lot. This is the 2021 28 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This specific boat has white hull sides, silver boot stripe with the matched white 300 Verado engines. So Boston Whaler has really done a great job of incorporating fishing and cruising features on their center consoles. We specifically spec'd this boat out for that southeast boater who's going to be doing some fishing here in South Florida and over in the Bahamas. As you'll see, this boat has the twin live wells for those guys that are doing a lot of live baiting, going out fishing for dolphin, cobia. So live wells in the leading post and on the aft port side. You also have fish boxes mirrored size on the port and starboard side, both insulated and macerated. If you want your boat outfitted more towards cruising, Boston Whaler also offers a recessed seat in the transom that folds out to give you a nice spot to sit cruising in and out from the fishing grounds or going up and down the intercoastal. You also have a different configuration you can do here with a refrigerator and some other options. Standing here at the helm, this boat has twin helm seats with fold down bolsters and armrests on both sides. Here under dash, this boat is fully loaded with electronics. You have twin Raymarine screens, Raymarine VHF, Mercury vessel view for your engine data, Fusion head unit, Mercury digital throttles, and then the coolest part of the boat, the joystick control for ease of docking, sky hook, which acts as a virtual anchor, and auto heading function, which is similar to an autopilot. Here in the dash, or in the console, you have a nice glass windshield that offers a lot of protection when you're out in the harsh environments with a windshield wiper and an electric vent up at the top to get some wind flow coming through. So while you guys are offshore fishing and want to break from the action, or just cruising up and down the intercoastal going for sandbar day, this boat also offers a ton of seating. As you can see here, you have a really nice sun lounge with armrest and cup holders on both sides. Up here in the bow, you have a really nice forward seating arrangement, which still offers some great walk-around capabilities for fighting fish up on the bow. You have a table insert right here, and you can also order this boat with a filler in the middle to create a huge sun pad up in the bow. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video of the 28 Outrage. If you would like more information or would like to stop by the store to take a look at this boat, please call us at 772-287-4495. Thank you.